Hayao Miyazaki. Hayao Miyazaki, a master of animated art. Hayao Miyazaki is born on 5th January 1941 in Tokyo, Japan. His names with the highest quality in animated filmmaking. Co-founder of Studio Ghibli. Miyazaki's work have not only captivate audience worldwide but have also set a benchmark for storytelling, artistic expression, and thematic depth in animation. Miyazaki's interest in animation began during his high school years, inspired by the first Japanese color feature length animated film. The Tale of the White Serpent. He attended Gakushing University where he majored in political science and economics but maintained a fervent interest in manga and animation. His early career started at Toei Animation, where he worked as an in between artist. His passion and talent quickly earned him a position as an animator. Here he met Lizal, a fellow animator who would later become his close collaborator and co-founder of Studio Ghibli. Miyazaki's first directorial debut came with The Castle of Cagliostro 1979, a film that showcased his burgeoning style. However, it was Nausicaa of the Valley of the Wind 1984 that established him as a formidable director based on his own manage. Nausicaa introduced themes that would become Mazaki trademarks: environmentalism, pacifism, and the strength of female protagonists. In 1985, Miyazaki, along with Isao Takata and Toshio Suzuki, founded Studio Ghibli. This studio became the birthplace of many of Miyazaki's masterpieces, including My Neighbor Totoro 1988, Kiki's Delivery Service 1989, and Princess Mononoke 1997. My Neighbor Totoro, in particular, with its gentle narrative and iconic characters, become a cultural touchstone in Japan and beyond. One of Miyazaki's most celebrated work is Spirited Away 2001, which won the Academy Award for Best Animated Feature. This film is a rich tapestry of imagination following a young girl named Chihiro as she negatives a fantastical world filled with spirits and gods. The film's intricate details, from its lush backgrounds to its complex characters, exemplify Maski's unparalleled artistic vision. Maski's artwork is relevant from its intricate detail, vibrant colors, and fluid animation. His backgrounds are often lush, meticulously detailed landscapes that serve as more than just settings. They are integral to the storytelling, the attention to natural elements, whether the dense forests of Princess Mononoke or the whimsical skies of Laputa Castle in the Sky 1986 reflects his deep respect for nature. Maski's characters are equally compelling. His protagonists, often younger as characters by their resilience, independence, and moral integrity. Characters like Titurio from Spirited Away and Sun from Princess Mononoke embody these traits, navigating complex world with courage and composition. Invitism is a recurring theme in Maziki's work. Film like Nausicaa of the Valley of the Wind and Princess Mononoke explore the delicate balance between humanity and nature, often warning against industrialization and environmental degradation. Maskey's storytelling advocates for harmony with the natural world, a message that resonates deeply is today context to climate change and environmental crisis. Maskis announced his retirement several times, most notably after the releases of The Wind Rises 2013, a big graphical film about aircraft designer Jiro Horikoshi. However, his passion for storytelling brought him back to work on new projects, including the Anti-Captive How to Do Live, set for release in the near future. Maski's influence extends beyond animation. His films have inspired countless artists and filmmakers worldwide. Studio Ghibli, this sensitive style has become a hallmark of quality and creativity in animation, influencing studio and animators globally. Hayao Miyazaki's contribution to animation and art is immeasurable. Through his films, he has created worlds of wonder and imagination, blending artistic beauty with profound thematic depth. His dedication to storytelling and his ability to capture the intricacies of human emotion and the natural world continue to inspire and enhance audience around the globe. Maski's legacy as a master of animated art is firmly cemented, making him a true icon in the world of cinema. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video.